This is my father's Nanzy model, built by Richard Shelly, aka Dick Shelly. It is a half scale of the Nanzy engine, air cooled. This model is spark plug or throttle governed. Runs on Coleman fuel, 12-volt battery. And if I give it a little tip, we can see the buzz coil underneath. And if we get it at top dead center, see the little baby spark box going. Got straight 30 oil in there. And we're gonna give it a fire. So I'm just gonna put it down for a second here, because I have to choke it. Remove the choke plate in place. Give it a little spin, let it suck up some fuel. And there she goes. It'll catch in a second. And that is the Nanzy. You're running a little low on gas. And that is the Nanzy. Sorry, I'm shaking. Ta-da!